The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Manna, Squat Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles, outer waters from Great Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles, until 11 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fortesk Beach to near Buoy 2 milliseconds, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Buoy 2 FB, Atlantic City Reef, Buoy 4 FB, Buoy 3 FB, Great Egg Inlet, East Point, Deepwater Reef, Cape May Point, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Wildwood, The Lump, 28-mile wreck, Fortesk Beach, Buoy GE, Cape May Reef, Brigantine, Seal City, and Buoy 2 milliseconds. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The affected